How to redeem code in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So first up, you would want to open the app, and you would basically need to get two informations. One is the redeem code, and one is your support ID number, which can be found by clicking this bottom three-line corner at the bottom right. Once you do that, you would see the support ID located right over here. You basically just need to copy that, and once you do that, you would need to go to this website. I will link it in the description to redeem your Pokemon code. Now, in order to find codes like this, what you're gonna do is follow up closely on their social media, like what I've got here. On Facebook, they have just released this code right here, and you're gonna want to copy that. And once you do that, go to this website and paste the gift code right here, and of course copy your support ID and paste it right here. And once you do that, this button here should light up for you to click send, and you should receive your gift in the gift section right here. You will clearly see that after you have successfully redeemed. And that's how you redeem codes in Pokemon TCG.